In this video, I'll show you how to use the spotlight visual effect in Camtasia 2022. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this is a new effect in Camtasia and it's pretty awesome. Now, in that it can create emphasis and draw attention for your viewers to where you want them to see. Now, let's just drag and drop a screen recording here. That's a TREC file, and let's say we want to create the spotlight visual effect. So if the visual effect tab is not available, you can just click on more visual effects, or actually just press on L. Just click on visual effects, and then by default it comes up to this section. You can scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the spotlight. Just drag it on top of your media and you'll see some sort of spotlight coming in from the top left of your video and the light shining down. Now, this is the effect and you'll see it here. You can just double click on it so that you get it inside this effect section. So there's a point up here and there's a point down here. If I hold this point down here, you'll see the cursor changes, and if I just bring it down to the bottom, it actually now makes almost the whole screen lighter or visible or whatever. If I pull it back up, it actually starts by showing this particular section of this video. Now, this is a really good thing. If you wanted to create some sort of animation in this, you can actually do that. So we're actually going to add some animation in here. Let's say we go for this animations and then add just some custom animation here. And let's say we want this particular point or this particular light to blow a little bit up to that section. So if we bring this back up to the start, play our video, there we go. We have some good light shining, really good effect. Now we have some different settings you can add. You can change the color of this. Now white really works well, but you can tinker around with this. That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. Let's just go back to the white. Let's just add this. Sorry about that. Just add this pure white. Looks good, but depending on your use case scenario, whatever works. We have some opacity. You can either bring it down so that it's a little bit darker towards the edges, or just add the opacity up, brightens up everything. So more or less the spotlight effect is gone. You can reset to the original. You can change the brightness up, not good. Bring it down, not good. Just reset it. They have it at 5, looks good. The focus at 40. You can bring it up, you can bring it down, but you can either narrow your focus into more or less of a flashlight that has a beam that is pointing straight on. So you can see what effects and things you can do with this. So let's just bring it to the same option, and then for the ease in and the ease out, how it comes in and goes out. That spotlight effect you can actually mix it up with a ton of things, and for this video I've walked you through how you can actually mix it up with custom animations inside Camtasia 2022. And this is an effect that if you use it well, you can actually help emphasize different things in your videos, especially if you also want people to concentrate on where you are, to where you're moving, or to from one point to the other. That is a spotlight visual effect in Camtasia 2022. I hope this video has been of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.